everyone, welcome back to the IE427 garage. We've got a bonus video for you this week. I don't normally do unboxing and mail time and all that, but I thought that since we're getting a bunch of stuff in here in the last week for Michael's car and for the Maverick Project, that I would do a short unboxing for you and see what you guys think of you know, maybe making this a regular part of the channel. We got some stuff yesterday. I got the coupler, the tube coupler for the air intake system, and I've just got that kind of on there right now. I'm going to pick up some clamps locally to get that all clamped in place, but that's the start of our air intake system. We have a K&N filter that we got as well. That's going to go under the hood, and that's going to get us complete on our air intake system. And then we have a new air intake temperature sensor that we're going to use for the manifold air temperature sensor for the Holley system. So we got that stuff all in yesterday. And then we have a box here from, let me turn this over. We have a box here from Summit Racing with some stuff that we got, and I'll bring you guys back in just a second and we'll take a look at what's inside the box. Alright, so on this one it looks like this is our air intake tube. We have a 22-degree bend that we're going to use in conjunction with that K&N filter and the tube coupler that I just showed you. And we're going to complete our air intake system with this. I don't know where I'm going to put this sensor yet. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the tube here. I'll most likely put it in the factory part of the tubing here, but I may put it like on the side to keep just give us as much hood clearance as we can. The sensor is really short, but I figure by the time we put the plug and everything on top up here, it might just be too close to the actual hood, because the hood, I mean, it's like right here. So I think we'll probably put it on the side, but we want to make sure it's in the intake stream so it gets a good temperature reading. And then let me work on getting this other box open, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, so in this box, same place. Long story on the shipping on these two boxes, because I'll make it short. This box shipped out the first part of last week. It took almost 7 full days to get here from Sparks, Nevada. The box over here that the other part came in, which was the intake tube, was ordered on a Thursday, shipped on Friday, and was here on Monday. They both shipped out of the same terminal, and both used the same shipping company. So I'll tell you one thing, and I'm not going to mention the company that shipped them. They could do a lot better by consolidating their and honestly, I thought that's what they had done. I thought they must have gotten notification that a second package was coming to the same address and held this box up, but the other box made it here 2 days earlier, or 2 days before this one, so whatever. So anyways, this is the Holley terminator system for the Maverick Project E.L.E. And we're just going to pack this one away for right now, because we just simply don't have the time to work on E.L.E. right now. But it's here, and so it's one less thing that we're going to need when the time comes. Also in E.L.E., I think we're going to be using either the 7-inch or the 12-inch Holley screen in place of gauges. So we're going to take the existing dash pods that the Maverick uses out. I'll probably sell the actual gauge pod cluster to someone who needs it, and we're going to make more of a custom flat dash in the car, and then this will go in there. Now, I have seen modifications to the Holley system where you can actually put the 12-inch screen like behind 2 gauge pods and make it work. I haven't decided whether we're going to do that, something like that or not. But I think as it stands right now, we're just going to modify the dash and put more of a flat dash in there. but we'll see. You know, I may change my mind. The wonderful thing about it being my own project is I can change my mind as many times as I want, and I seem to have plenty of time in between the time that I do one thing on a personal vehicle versus the next time I get to work on it. So plenty of time for plans to change, but that's kind of what we've got going right here. So I don't know if this is something, again, that you guys want to see or not. Let me know down in the comments. Parts are parts, but I figured since I was unboxing it and I already had the camera out, I was filming some other stuff on Mikes Mk3, bleeding the brakes and stuff like that. I just thought, well, I just got the camera, I might as well do this and see if anybody is interested in this. So thanks guys for watching. Do the like, share, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And then again, if you have a comment or whether you want this to be a normal part of the channel, let me know. We do have some pretty cool, exciting stuff coming up. We just did a new run of t-shirts that we should be getting here in the shop in the next week or so. So I'll see if maybe I can add a screenshot of that to the end of this video. And then we're going to start doing a new segment, probably either monthly or every other month, where we highlight a particular vehicle. And it's not necessarily going to be a car that we did. It's just going to be cars of people in the community that we know and who want to get their car featured on a channel like this. So stay tuned for that, because I think that you guys are really going to enjoy that. So until next time, have a great day.